Welcome to our Getting Started guide for Fulcrum One. Fulcrum One is Fulcrum Acoustic's all-in-one software environment for designing and modeling sound reinforcement systems, immersive audio installations, and room acoustics. In this video, we're going to walk through how to start a project in Fulcrum One and give you an overview of the workspace. All right, let's open Fulcrum One software. We're going to select New Project, and this is going to bring us to our landing page for the software. In the top left corner, you can see the Design tab, the Mapping tab, and the Live tab. Under the Design tab in the far left corner, you're going to see several different tabs. The Engine tab is where you can add a processor and configure it. The Loudspeaker tab is where you can add loudspeakers from the Fulcrum Acoustic library. And then the Modeling tab is where you can import a 3D SketchUp model for design purposes. We're going to go ahead and choose a model that I've already created. And this is going to give us the ability to orient our faces. We can name the model if we want to, and then we can also create or discard or merge any of the layers that were previously created in SketchUp. In this case, we've created the presidium, the ceiling, the walls, front of house, the stage, the seating planes, and the floor. We're going to import that model, and now we have a 3D model ready for design inside of Fulcrum One software.